Hi guys! So, what is wind? Wind is the result of air pressure in our atmosphere. Air from higher pressure areas go to lower pressure areas, causing the flow of air, which is also known as wind. First of all, air pressure is the amount of exerted force in a given area. Hot air rises, which causes it to exert lower pressure, while cool air does the opposite. So when hot air rises, especially when it is moist, it can cause stormy bad weather, which is also often associating bad weather to lower pressure systems. Higher pressure systems causes clear skies and good weather when it dominates an area. The Earth's rotation also has an effect on the wind motion. Air going to the north is deflected to the east, while wind going to the south is deflected to the west. This phenomenon is also known as the Coriolis effect. With that, I prepared an experiment that will prove that hot air rises and cool air sinks. So hot water is red while cool water is blue. So the hot water is representing hot air while this represents cool air. As you can see, they are separated from each other and are still not mixing. And that proves that hot air rises and cool air sinks. So, two examples of these are the sea breeze and the land breeze. So, this is the sea breeze. So, sea breezes happen when land heats up in the morning that causes the air to rise and the cool air from the sea rushes to take its place. While this is the land breeze, which happen when the air in the land becomes cooler than the sea air and does the opposite. So the wind can be classified using the Beaufort scale. Feel free to pause the video if you want to see the scale any longer. So the wind can be measured in a lot of different ways. Some of the most popular are the wind's direction and the wind speed. So the wind speed can be measured using the anemometer, which is this. So do you know that the fastest recorded speed was recorded in Barrow Island, Australia? It amazingly had a speed of 408 kilometers, even though it's not related to tornadoes. So here's the weather vane, which is used to measure the direction of the wind. So you are right, these are the metal roosters that you see in farms. So storm signals do you know that storm signals are actually based on the speed of the wind? So here's signal number 1, which moves at the speed of 30 to 60 kilometers per hour and is expected to last for 36 hours. It will deal from no to very light damage. Second comes signal number 2, which is expected to last for 24 hours and has the speed of 61 to 120 kilometers per hour. It can deal from light to moderate damage to well-built structures. Structures with old iron roofs can be peeled off. Third comes signal number 3, which moves at the speed of 121 to 170 kilometers per hour and is expected to last for 18 hours. It can deal from moderate to medium damage to well-built structures. Also, damage to old iron roofs become worse. So here's signal number 4, which is expected to last from 12 hours and has the speed of 171 to 220 kilometers per hour. It can deal from medium to high damage to well-built structures. Many houses of medium-built materials are unroofed, some with collapsed walls. Last but certainly not the least is signal number 5. It has the speed of more than 220 kilometers per hour and is expected to last for 12 hours. It can deal from high to very high damage to well-built structures. Complete roof failure is also expected to many houses. So have you ever wondered what will happen to the Earth if there's no wind? Well, after a few days, the problem will come. Without wind systems, warm moist air won't move around. Water will still evaporate but won't travel elsewhere. Because there's no wind, it will most likely just come back to itself. Places that are far from bodies of water will be dry. Living things will also slowly die from dehydration. Also, the temperature wouldn't be equalized. Some areas will be really hot and become inhabitable, but some places might remain cool and be habitable. So to summarize, Earth without wind will be dangerous and probably kill most of the living things living in it. So, well, that wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys have learned something new. Bye!